Yan po tayo sa yate. Yan o. Pwede ka mag-fishing dyan. May barge. Nagbe-build sila ng ano. Ito po yan ito eh. Preparation para sa Olympic 2032. Matagal pa pero ganun. Mga Australiano gumawa ng ano, preparation. Gumawa ng building. Ayun. Kita nyo? Nandun yung doggy. Tsaka yung master niya. Yan. Si Bunay namin yan. Yan. Naggala sa labas. Naggala sa labas yan kanina. Hindi ko nadalang GoPro. Yan o. Lechon. Yan yan si Lechon. Lechon. Ano? Say hello. Say make a love shout out. Make a love shout out. Yan. Bunay. Oh, city. Brisbane City. Huwag kang magulo, Bunay. Pero di natin ang city. Ikaw ang dito mo sa likod ka. Itong background. Ayan o. Si Bunay ay nasa Brisbane River. Si Bunay spatay namin. Brisbane din ang ulo. Galit sa mga bata. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Bonnie.
Tudla.
It's okay.
Tudla, tudla. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Sit down. Sit. Sit, sit. Nag-haul dun sa mga kids. Yan. Magulo ang Bunay. Magulo ang Bunay. May kids. May kids. Galit si Bunay. Ito ay river. River bridge. River. Bagong bridge ng Brisbane. Multi-million dollar worth. Yan o. Yan. Good girl. Sit. 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 Relax. Relax. Good girl. Good girl. Sit. Sit.
It's okay.
Good girl. La Peru. La Peru. Gas na. Gas na sa live. Ayun, may lalagay pa dun, oh. Yan yan na dating McDonald's. Tanda mo yan? May car park dyan, eh. Diyan kaparada dati ang ano, Kakabara. Yung parang ganun. Bakit ng Kakabara? Binibinta na yan eh, 600,000 Australian dollar. Yan, meron doon kaninang. Mamaya taas tayo dyan sa bridge na to. Look at the structure of this bridge. Ganyan silet. Ito tatawagan ka kanina pa. Hold it.
Sit. Sit.
Beb.
Sit.
We're actually underneath. We're the bridge. The new bridge. Yeah, there's steps there and lift. We're underneath there. The steps, yeah. Okay. Besides this.
Sit. Sit.
Mamaya na ulit. Ito ang aking assistant. Assistant para sa kay Bonnie, si Commander. Ayan na, ito. Ducks.
She's gonna put.
Okay. This is dirt. Look at this. This is one big trunk of a tree, chopped. And look at that. Look at the branches now.
Sorry.
Now he's right.
Funny.
Right. Paitula ka, diyo ka. Nanonood din kayo sa video ko eh. Look at the age of the trunk. You see from the layers of the bark. Native of South America. Let's look. One big massive gigantic humongous. Look at that. Parang sa malaking paso. Tapos tumubo yung mga ano niya, oh. Gano'n, no? Bumusa. Popcorn tree. Sa Pilipinas, popcorn tree ang tawag natin yan. Kung tayo magpapangalan. Ito po yung bagong tulay ng Brisbane. Ang dulo po niyan ay Stamford Hotel to. Dating yan, Heritage Hotel. Tapos yun po ang Brisbane Botanical Garden. This is not it's only like 3 months old bridge. We go here for a walk with Bonnie. Si Bonnie ngayon lang nakalabas ng madaming tao. Pupunta sa kami sa park. Pero itong madaming tao ngayon lang. So we got to be cautious about it. She nearly attacked one passes by there, one joggers. One of the joggers going to take a lift to get access. And this one. Look at that. Look, there we go. Ang pambamit niya, nasaan? Pambamit.
Oh, yun ang girls. Oh, it's little girls. Watch out, daddy, watch out.
Beb. Hello. It's okay. There you go. Ayan. Oh, that's the lift.
Kasi tayo sa side.
Yan. Bonnie.
Come on.
Look at this. We're just down there. It's the big tree where I was a minute ago. Look at that. Look up there. Look up there.
Yung dugang.
Oh, maya ako nagbibideo lang ako. Maya ako nang bahala dyan. Kung nabusan ako ng battery, I will take care of Bonnie. Wala. Look. There's the Brisbane City. Brisbane City. Wow. See, emergency intercom. Look at that. Is how for a dog. Yan. Let's go. Life of the water, on the water and fishing techniques. Yeah. Look at that. Nice. Yan, sibunin namin yan. Sibunin spider namin. Yan ang master niya. May yanggis Woodura. Relax muna. Oh, yan. Si Mrs. Sibunin namin. Nakalabas ang city. Galing sa probinsya. Oh, what are you doing here, Bonnie? Yan, bunispa din namin yan. Bunispa guys. Galing-galing namin yan. You know. Kita nyo, yaman ng Australia. Stainless steel. Oh. Salamin, tempered glass. Pwede itong pasabugin ng mga ng mga stuntman. Prepare agad. Yan. Sa ibang bansa, ninakaw na ito overnight. Stainless steel kasi ito eh. Gara ng welding nila. Ayun, may ginagawa pang construction doon. Dati dyan nakapisto ang McDonald's. Mga diskuhan dati yan eh. Multi-million-dollar again. Ang tubig dyan tumataas dati yan. Mataas. Ngayon dinredge nila yung gitna ng river para hindi masyadong tumas ang tubig pagka during high seas. Yung mga yate na yan, $1 million yan. Sana all may ganyan yate. Pag retired na ako, kami ni Commander, ang ko dyan, ang dream ko dyan, magkameron ng isang yate na gano'n, no? Parang gano'n, trimaran o kaya catamaran para dyan natitira. Kasi may mga toilet dyan eh, may toilet shower, may power hindi yan kung gusto mo mag-washing. Babalik ka ulit sa bangka mo. Pag lumaki ang tubig dyan, may area na na pwedeng doon ka mag-hide. Ayan o, kita mo kung kanilang service yun. May dog pa. Punta yan sa yate niya. Papunta pa sa yate niyan. Ganyan. Kung ako yan, si Bonnie, ang kasama ko yan, si Bonnie. Yan, punta kami sa yate. Yan o. Pwede kang mag-fishing dyan. May barge. Nagbe-build sila ng ito po yan ito eh. Preparation para sa Olympic 2032. Matagal pa pero ganun mga Australiano gumawa ng preparation, gumawa ng building. Ayun, kita nyo, nandun yung doggy tsaka yung master nya. Okay, let's go for a walk. I'll cut this off and I will look after Bonnie muna. Relax naman si baby namin, yung bunso namin. That's the party boat over there. This is small restaurant there. Can they actually?
Am I not the one who walks there like every day?
Hang on. 2 minutes. Yan o. Ganda dyan. See? That's the life in Brisbane. Sorry, I just take a video. City Botanic Gardens River Hub. You know. So this one is a restaurant too. Small one there. See? It's a big one. Boat. Just go on a party. Goes up and down of the river. Look at that. Look at these two boats there. They got the contract to be here. They sell seafoods. And look at that. Prawns, crabs, and they got that fish. You know? Nice. It's the Brisbane city. Yeah. You know. You walk from there to over there and down. What's this? 151,922 today. Today 967. Push bike this how many? Today 6,103. 151,000 this year. Today is push bike 967 and the troller is 298. This is the number of attendants. They got counters here. This we call it Kangaroo Point. This one is Kangaroo Point Bridge. They call it Beb. You know. Good girl. You can go to the park. This is the this is Stamford Hotel, 5-star hotel here in Brisbane. That's the Brisbane Queen Street Mall over there on the left side. And it is the Botanical Garden of Brisbane. Yeah. Dito tumira yung mga unang dating na mga British sa Australia nung panahon ni James Cook, Captain James Cook. Sila nagtalim nitong mga puno nito. Ito 100 years old. Itong mga puno na dito, yung mga malalaki Brisbane River, kaya tawag dyan Brisbane. Galing yun sa botanist ng New South Wales na si Thomas McDougall Brisbane. Itong Queensland, part ito ng dati ng New South Wales before the we became independent. This boat here used to be a customs or coast guard boat. This purchased by new owner. I like it. It's compact, small, and it's easy to use, easy to navigate. Bonnie. Kangaroo Cliff. Yan si Pacquiao nag-training. Ito Pacquiao.
Bunny, sit.
Tingnan baka may ta. This is the Misha of the River Wura price. Mira, after 4.7 you got to evacuate this hotels here. in residence. Okay, we go for a ride. Magra-ride si Bunay namin. We'll see. We'll put her there. Okay.
Natakot. Nadulas niya.
You want to do it again, Bunay?
Go down one more. Ano kasi, malumot. She's slipping.
Yeah.
Oh
Hindi
my
nakuha.
gosh.
Go. Go din Bunay. Down ulit, down.
Daddy. Yeah,
Down?
there's 3 dogs up there, so maybe don't bring her up here. The girl cold and water.
Down. Let's go.
She's scared. One more. You can do it. Go. You can do it. Go, Bonnie. Go. 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 Go, Bonnie. Tapos huwag mong painumin. Baka magtai yan.
Di mo na inom.
Fever yan. Yan maaga.
At least hindi siya takot.
Bonnie, it's not salty, but it's good. Alright, don't force her in. Oops, okay, let's go. Let's go this way.
Nice, Bunay. So you got experience in that one? This is a JT. Private JT. This one eh.
Come, Matt. Up here. Shall we go back na? I think she's done enough. I've just left the windows open so it's air from her. Just close them with your all of them is the weather.
Tired yan. Nag-run din yan. Nag-run.
And it ran a bit.
November. Sigaw po.